Hello my dear friends, this is Martin from Austria. Maybe you know me under my nickname Mad Max, and this is my participation in the Banggood's Double 11 influencer voting event. So Double 11 sales activities are coming, and there will be lots of great prizes and sales promotions. And Banggood's decided to have this event where you, the customers, can look at a lot of products and your YouTubers, and you can vote what you prefer. And from this participants, there will be chosen a top 10, and about 700 gifts will be given to these top 10. And the YouTubers like me, if I win or if I participate in the top 10, we can share these gifts to you. So there will be a giveaway afterwards with many nice things. I choose the brand Astrolux for my promotion video. Astrolux is a manufacturer that makes cost-effective flashlights and flashlight accessories for many purposes. And there is a wide range of flashlights available, and the newest ones are like the MF01S and the very new EC01. These two I want to show you a little bit more in a few seconds. And Astrolux is a manufacturer that has the courage to go with the newest development of user interfaces from the flashlight community, from most of people like you. So they were brave enough to have new software, including in their flashlights, listening to the people in the forum down there, and having many of the ideas from the people included in their products, and combined with their good production technology, everyone gets nice products. And on the end, the prices are really nice. So we have on the shiny side this exclusive limited edition of the MF01S, which is available in copper and in brass, and they come in this very nice wooden box. So if you're one of the flashlight enthusiasts who want to have some bling in your house, have something nice on the shelf, this is the perfect gift. Or maybe you know some of them, make them fun. And in this Double 11 sales activities, there will be a very nice price for those. If you want to take the flashlight a little bit rough outside and not be angry if something goes wrong, get one of the regular ones. These are made of aluminium and available in a wide range of colors. This is like champagne, maybe some goldy shimmer. They are of course available in black and green and blue, so a lot of colors. And they will be sold for just $44.99 during the Double 11 event. So again, there's a link down there. The MF01, to make it short, comes with 7 LEDs. If you choose the Cree LEDs, it has up to 6,100 lumens. Choosing the SST20s, you get up to 5,500 lumen. On the battery side, you can use 26 650 cells, which are recommended, but it's also possible to have the 21 700s or even 18 650s. And you can choose to charge all of them. Here is a flap, which is, I like this, that's quite tight. There is a USB Type-C charging port, so you can charge your flashlight on the go. And the MF01S also comes with auxiliary LEDs, so there is blue and green, and I think that's kind of a pink color for me. LEDs underneath, you can choose if they're on or off. They can, when they're on, this is 2 brightness levels, and you can choose to have them like flashing when they're sitting on the shelf, so it's easy for you in the night locate your flashlight when you're on the way. If you do not like that, you just make half a turn, lock it out, so there is no battery connection here, and that's very safe and good to store. And the newest addition to the Astrolux family is the Astrolux EC01. This one will be sold for just $23.99 during the event. So that's a really small price for such a great flashlight. I've seen some reviews from other guys having the samples before, and all of them love it. It has this very nice knurling with this big cut square threads. There is of course the USB-C charging port. It can hold 21 700 cells and 18 650s, so they went to the thinner tube to have a better handle. The head has this small cooling fins. There is a stainless steel attack bezel, so you can use it for breaking glass maybe. And it uses a single LED, so to have the costs down. And they went with the Cree XPG 50.2, which can make up to 3,500 lumens and produce a throw of nearly 400 meters. Here is, of course, no auxiliary LEDs, but there is a LED in the switch, which, as all the Astrolux with charging options, does have it red when it's plugged in to charge. So I think I can try and show to you. Whoops, just using a power bank like this, and when you switch the power bank on, red light, so it's charging on the go and ready to use whenever you need it. And let's have a deeper look in this model. Of course, the ports for the lanyards have not been forgotten. We have nice regular cut threads. There's a small amount of loop. It comes with this adapter for the 18650 cells, or use the 2700s without the adapter. And to make everything nice, there's a good spring on the back side, and you can also open it here on the head. There's also an O-ring, regular cut threads, and here's the driver, if you're interested in that technical detail. If you have any questions about the technical details, feel free to comment my videos, and I try to give you the answers if possible. So, I hope you like the brand Astrolux as much as I do. Just put it back together, and please feel free, if you like my video, if you like Astrolux, help me by voting my video on the Banggood promotion page. Check out the links below there also for the sales activities. And if we together make it to the top 10, we will share the prices. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.